and asked Juan and Jose to treat her for headaches and back pains that she had suffered from for 6 years. She found no relief from Oriental and Western physicians and traditional cures on other islands in Micronesia, but now claims that she has been cured by the Suruhanus. Prior to the treatment, Juan looks at his patients and diagnoses areas of pressure that need massaging by visually checking the symmetry of the patient's body and also using his hands to check the symmetry of body temperature and pulse in the limbs. If his senses detect excess heat or a swelling, he concentrates his massage in these areas. Before and during the massage, Juan applies a body lotion called Pali and the sign of the cross to ward off the presence of the Tao Tamona, or spirits of the island's ancient inhabitants. The spirits are thought to cause illness in those who carelessly destroy part of the jungle or reef environment, or fail to ask permission to enter into the areas of the jungle where they reside. The Pali is made from a base of vinegar, made from fermented coconut sap, and an assortment of mystical ingredients are added. Included in the mixture are ashes of white chicken feathers, holy water, garlic, and ashes of cotton soaked in the Suruhanu's own sweat. The Pali also helps to ensure a smooth flow of the Suruhanu's curing power into the patient and is sometimes used to cool feverish patients. In addition to the massage, medicine, and Pali, Juan gives the patient dietary advice. He recommends that patients eat lean meat, fresh fruits, and vegetables. Soft-boiled eggs, fatty meats, oils, butter, milk, cheese, and alcoholic beverages are prohibited, for it's believed that these foods promote the buildup of the air bubbles and blood clots that characterize the Suruhanu's concept of illness. The massage is hard and designed to restore normal circulation within the body. Juan and Miguel often treat illnesses that are thought to be caused by the Tao Tamona spirits. This patient was clearing the land on his ranch property when he encountered these guardians of the jungle environment. The spirits are not always malevolent and have a positive function of ensuring conservation of natural resources. If one overtaxes the environment by cutting down too many trees or shooting too many animals, the spirits are believed to cause afflictions. Fear of incurring a spirit-caused ailment keeps many people from destroying segments of the delicate island ecosystem. Most Guamanians verbally ask forgiveness when entering the jungle. The spirits are most often thought to reside around large banyan trees, and if the area beneath the tree is unusually clean of debris, the area should be avoided. Such a tree was found by this man on his ranch property, but according to his story, he proceeded to clear the property to plant bananas. Staying late in the evening to work on his land, he encountered the unseen spirits, who he believes became angered at his persistent invasion of their habitat. He first saw a pinpoint of light at a distance that came closer and closer until it was blinding him. The light receded and his vision returned. After this occurrence happened several times, he abandoned his efforts to clear his ranch property. Soon after, though, he developed a severe skin rash that covered his entire body. He became so inflamed that he stated he felt his blood was going to come out through his skin. He asked Miguel to come and treat him for this affliction, and soon after the rash subsided. Miguel employed the use of the mystical Pali body lotion in the sign of the cross, and also prepared the fresh herbal tea, making the sign of the cross as he squeezed the medicine. His massage technique is lighter than Juan's, but the intended effect is the same, to relieve internal pressures due to natural or unnatural causes. Miguel explains his style of massage.
When I massage a person, I generally work around his eye, looking for a pressure or a bubble. And I go on down by the neck. I only use my thumb, just squeezing it little by little. And go on down to his arm. If I've noticed any air bubbles, stiff muscles, I pound a little harder sometimes to remove the pressure, just to remove the pressure. And I go on down to the hand and keep on massaging it. Sometimes the person, they generally have a fit a cold hand or numb fingers. I massage that also.